The New Zealand Embassy and Knowledge Channel Foundation entered into a partnership for efforts on early childhood development. Under this partnership, Knowledge Channel Foundation trained child development workers, teachers, care providers, and parents from 11 barangays in Burgos, Ilocos Norte.
Yung talang tumatak sa akin is the multiple intelligences. We have different skills. What we have to do is to hone the skills.
Hindi lang yung mga barangay stakeholders ang natuto sa 2 or 3 day training na ito. Pati kami, siguro yung mga VIP natin will also verbalize the same.
They received Knowledge Channel early childhood development videos to use in teaching at their respective child development centers. For latest updates, visit knowledgechannel.org.